In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add lead time in Microsoft Project. Lead time lets a successor task begin before its predecessor is completely finished, creating an intentional overlap in your schedule. In Microsoft Project, this overlap is entered as a negative lag. If you remember one thing, it's that lead equals negative lag. When you type a minus value, you're telling Project to start the next task earlier. Before you enter any lead time, make sure the tasks are actually linked. Lead time only works when there's a dependency between a predecessor and a successor, such as the very common finish-to-start relationship. If the tasks aren't linked, create that dependency first so Project knows how the two activities relate. To add lead time using the task information dialog, start on the successor task, the one you want to begin early. Double-click that successor to open its task information box, then switch to the Predecessors tab. You'll see the predecessor listed along with columns for type and lag. Click in the lag field next to the predecessor and enter a negative value. For example, typing 1D tells Project to start the successor 1 working day before the predecessor finishes. You can also use a percentage, like 50%, which means the successor begins when the predecessor is halfway through its duration. Project applies these values against working time and the specific calendars on your tasks, so the actual dates may shift to honor non-working days. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time. You can adjust the number until the overlap looks right on the Gantt chart. If you prefer to work directly in the Gantt view, you can enter lead time in the predecessors column. Insert or locate the predecessors column for your successor task and type the link and the lead in one string using this pattern: the predecessor's task ID, the dependency type, a hyphen, and the lead duration. For instance, 3FS2D means the successor will start 2 days before task 3 finishes, and 5SS1D means it will start 1 day before task 5 starts. FS indicates finish to start. SS indicates start to start, and you can use other types the same way. Use units like D for days, H for hours, or W for weeks, and keep the minus sign to indicate lead. Once entered, your Gantt bars will show the overlap, making it easy to confirm the relationship visually and fine-tune the timing.